The year 2007 was the glorious year for the Ghule Patil land developers, as they took baby steps by purchasing their first tractor to accomplish the milestone expedition. The nascent stage, there was a golden opportunity of constructing a road of 5 kilometers in Nanded city, Pune, which bolstered their vision and paved their way by leaving traces by constructing a Solapur Aurangabad bypass of four-fold length of 30 kilometers. Which comprised the construction of Ghat section as well. Likewise, four-fold length of 25 kilometers and two-fold length of 10 kilometers Aurangabad DMIC Inland Road. Whilst constructing roads, company came across a financial issue of conveyance cost from excavation site to crusher site, which ultimately evolved the concept of mobile crusher. The name itself says. These are absolutely mobile, economical, and time saving. Till the time, this evolution leads the company to 5 mobile crusher plants at Solapur, Latur, Konkan, Usmanabad, and New Mopa Airport, Bhuba. Along with the mobile crusher plants, the company owns 2 fixed plants at Ahmedpur and Aurangabad, which is considered as one of the mega plants of Maharashtra. Albeit practicing this business, company realized, though the utilization of natural resources is to the fullest, but crisis of waste management prevails. And to alleviate the wastage, company commenced MSW processing plants at Ramatekadi PMC and Alandi PCMC. These MSW processing plants generate 2 major byproducts, compost manure and RDF, of which manure is supplied for the agricultural purpose and RDF is supplied to power plants as factory fuel for the companies like Thermax. Accompanying this, the company also started Green Waste Processing Unit at Shindewadi, Kalyani and Pashan. In these units, we manufacture coco peat for nursery purpose, coir for construction purpose, and the other green waste is processed to make bricks which are used along with the RDF as well. In the forthcoming years, the company has a vision to ladder up with RDF-based power plants and construction of 6-fold lane highways, hospitals, and hotels. To sum up, we thank you all for immense support and we look forward for the same support and enthusiasm. Thank you so much.